Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to repair the analog sticks in a PS5 controller for really cheap. So these analog sticks normally start drifting after a while. So to repair them you need just to replace the whole joystick, or you just replace the potentiometer. So today I'll show you how to replace the potentiometer and how to get it. So first, to test it and know which one is the faulty and which one is the horizontal or the vertical, you need to go to a website called, let's go to the website. This is the website, it's devicechecker.org/gamepad-tester. Once you open this, you will have this page, and here you have a controller and saying please wait while we locate your device. Now you go and connect your device or your controller. As you can see, it's been detected, and as you can see clearly, the left side, this one, this analog stick is drifting, and it is in the horizontal side, not the vertical. So this one is okay. While we are here, we can test also other buttons, and they will be in this area. You will see them here, changing colors, and also these R1 and R2, L1 and L2, and these direction buttons. And also we can test these two. I don't know if you can see them, but they are here and they change colors. So now we know that we have this analog stick is drifting and we need to repair it. To repair it, we need to have something like this. This is a bag of potentiometers. This is for PS5, and I have a bag for PS4. The only difference between them is that this PS4 is a 10K potentiometer, while this one is a 2.3 kilo ohms. And also there is another version, which is the orange version. Also I have this one for PS5 and PS4, and the resistance is the same, only the color is different and the hole in the middle is a little bit different. Okay, so let's see if we can repair this controller and fix that drift. First, you need to take this plastic part like so. Okay, pretty easy. Then you need to bring a plastic spudger and pry off these L1 and R1 buttons like so. Okay, so now we need to take 4 screws in each one in each corner. Okay, now we need to pry the whole cover like so. First you pry it from this side and hold it, and remove these 2 tabs. Okay, like so, and it's opened. Now we disconnect the battery and take this battery tray out. But first we need to take this ribbon cable of this microphone. Okay, now we take this another ribbon cable for the front microphone and these other ribbon cables. Okay, now we can take the board out by pushing these tabs. One is over here and one is over here, so the board is out, as you can see. Now this is the L3, and we said that we have a drift in the horizontal side. So as you can see, we have two potentiometers. One is this one and one over here. So this one is actually for the up and down, so this is the vertical and this is the horizontal. So we have a problem with this one. So to take it out, first pry it out like this. Okay, then if you have a low melt solder, would be more and much easier for you. So I'm using this one from Mechanic. Its temperature is 138 Celsius degrees, so it's pretty handy actually. So I will apply a low melt solder to these solder joints. Then we can pull this potentiometer out. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty simple. Now we need to wick the old solder. Let me just clean this residual flux, because I'm using this type of solder wick. It has a flux inside it, so it can wick much faster. If you use something like these Chinese solder wicks, you need to apply flux like this one. Okay, so this one is pretty handy. It's really fast, but it makes residual flux in the board and you need to clean it like so, because it gets dry pretty fast. You can't just use alcohol to take it out. Now it's cleaned, as you can see. Now we know that we are dealing with a PS5 controller, so, and a green potentiometer, so we need one from this bag. Okay, let's install it. To install it, you just push it inside till you hear it clicking. Okay, now we can solder it back. Okay, I think it's ready to be tested. Let me just put this speaker in its place. now we can put the battery and test. Let's connect it and test it. Okay, so it is connected and it is detected. It's been detected. As you can see, we have no more drift. Yeah, pretty simple. Yeah. About these potentiometers, where do you get them? They are available in AliExpress. If we go to AliExpress and you write PS5 potentiometer, you will have these lots of potentiometers types. So if I press this one, for example, as you can see, we have 10 pieces of joystick potentiometers for just, or I mean this one is also is actually selected, which is 20 pieces for PS4, which is for $1.70. This one is 10 pieces for Xbox One. This is for PS4 Pro, 10 pieces. This is for PS5, 10 pieces, and for $1 actually. It's pretty cheap, so you can repair your controllers. Yeah, so this is how you repair a PS4 or a PS5. I mean, even PS4s are the same actually. So thank you for watching, and I hope I can see you in another video. Thank you so much.